One of the other items we offer, we can do a topper. And the toppers are a Lear topper for our F-150 trucks, or even our F-350 and our 250 trucks. Lear makes the topper. They're paint matched as well, so they're made to order. The topper also comes with a carpet inside, slider windows on the outside, and you can get a rack for your bike as well. Very popular with toppers, and they do a wonderful job for us here in the state of Colorado. Some of the other items that we offer are Ford Performance items, like some of the badging that we have. All these products that we do here are warranted, 3 years or 36,000 miles. If there's a problem with a bubble in a tint or a bubble in a clear mask, just let me know and we'll be more than happy to fix it here. As you can tell from our examples, we customize a lot of stuff here. If you want your vehicle customized however you want to do it, please give me a call. Brian Muldoon. I'm the Accessories Director and Personalization Manager here at Mike Maroone's Longmont Ford.